500 horsepower GrandSport. And Heads came in, and my dad and my mom. Also, I stopped by to spend some time. So I already put the head gaskets in, Dad. I already put the head gaskets in. Yeah. So I already put the gaskets in, and I'm currently installing the head studs, which are these right here.
Will be on top of here?
After. That'll be the valve cover, as well as the valve cover gasket. Okay. All right. Yeah, let me keep pushing. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and throw the smaller studs up here and down there as well, and then we'll get to torquing it. Got plans with the parents later today, going on base for a flight show, so didn't come in here to mess around, just wanted to just get it done so I can get it out of the way. I think the car is up. It's been about 2 months, so we got a 2-month-old E85 sitting in there, so this is gonna be a 2-month-old cold start. Am I saying that right? A 2-month cold start. All right, let's see if this baby fires up. Here goes nothing. Got the vet running, pulled it out tonight to see what kind of trouble we can get into. So did a small hit on the way here, and it's actually running quite a bit lean up top. So I burned through the old E that was sitting in the tank. I just pumped the full tank. See if that makes any difference, but went in there and I actually added a little bit of fuel in up top. So I don't know if that has anything to do with the heads properly sealing now. So I might have dialed it in with the leaking valves, which wasn't too obvious until it completely, you know, took a crap. So I added a little bit of fuel up top, and I'm probably gonna do another small hit prior to get myself into any runs tonight. But glad to be back, baby. Glad to be back. It was almost, actually it was a little bit over 2 months. A little bit over 2 months. And I'm driving it and I'm like, was my clutch always this heavy? Because that thing is a workout. It's a workout. So, and rather than blocking the back coolant ports, I ended up just running a line from the rear coolant port on the heads and I tapped into another T-fitting here, and then this is the factory joint here. So running 2 of them bad boys, which then goes to the reservoir. Hopefully that'll get the coolant flowing through the heads a little bit better. But yeah, it's coming together. This is like the 4th time this summer that I'm just like, good to be back. I'm tired of being back. I want to just stay here and just have it running at all times. It just sucks being down. So got a Beamer. I think it's an M3, maybe an M4 actually. Some tires. I don't think I'm gonna be running him. I think I'm probably too fast. My boy Chris with his supercharged A&A. What was that? Yeah, it is. Nah, it's a ProCharged. Yeah. Appreciate it. Boy Chris with the supercharged A&A vet back there somewhere hiding, and he's gonna be running this silver MK5 slicks, and no clue what he's making, but it's gotta be making, I don't know, anywhere between 6 and 800. So I'm gonna be riding passenger to see how this goes.
There's some people that have.
What's done to the Supra? A lot?
It's stock.
Yeah.
It's 1,000 horsepower.
What we talking, what, like 700 maybe?
Ish.
Okay. And then so we're running this guy with his 1200.
14, I heard.
1400 horsepower GrandSport. and I think she made somewhere in the 8s. So should be a good run. We're riding passenger for that. I was told once to run, but I don't know. I don't feel like I'm ready tonight. So we'll see how the test set goes. These Mustangs look good, especially when you got them sitting right. Now turn this flash off. So what's done to it? Shit. I guess the short answer would be what's not done to it, huh? Yeah. So obviously, I hit a cam.
Yep. Cam, blower, E.
All right. Okay.
It's really good.
He is not on a secondary drive, so been having a little bit of belt slipping issues. So now he's running the grip tech pulley. So hopefully that's in the past now. Hopefully that holds. But if not, then the next step would be for the secondary drive. But we'll see. So I know you said it made about 13 pounds on the test hit earlier.
Yeah, on the test hit.
Okay.
It should.
And then
if
we
it all goes well, it should make like 16 or 17.
Okay.
In the middle lane, it's going to be 3 wide.
All right.
M3 on the left.
Let me put my seatbelt on, cause
we're gonna do it. Yeah.
Holy shit. All right, so 3-way. That's an M4.
Yeah, M3.
M3. Are you ready? You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right, we're gonna head back to the spot. Blew the charge pipe. Coming off the supercharger. So we're gonna head back and try to get that back on there. Doesn't that suck just being NA?
It didn't even move when I hit the gas.
That's crazy.
You can hear it though.
Yeah.
Sucking in your ear. I don't know if we're even gonna be able to fuck with this. It's gonna be way too hot.
It's gonna be way too hot, yeah. I mean, we can try. You know, I have my flashlight.
Yeah.
What a bummer.
Damn, bro, the car felt good too.
Hell yeah. Goddamn grip tech pulley doing this thing.
I know.
Yeah, right here is good.
Putting everything back up now, we should be able to. Yeah, back out. Slow and tedious, but she get the job done though. You ready, right?
Yeah, I got looking.
Where's the Supra driver? He's going down. Are you ready to get gapped?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm just making it a little interesting.
I want the whole pot if that shit flies out.
Yeah. What's the pot you're racing for?
Why not?
Oh, okay.
What's that?
Side bets?
Now he told me that we were racing for your car.
Yeah. Hey, y'all can have it, bro. That's just a headache.
Bro, every time you hear the phone.
Yeah.
That's them.
I want to race for the shoot.
I need to take it off anyway.
Why?
Because I don't get no runs around here.
I need more power than what we're at right now. There's like 3 guys.
And you got me, 2,000 horsepower GTR, Orbi. Who else?
You're running out of options.
Oh yeah. Hit them tires up. So the last go at it, charge pipe popped off, so we got that good to go and about to give it another shot. Let me know when you're ready. Bro, he sat right there, bro. It was like maybe a car behind.
Yeah, he's got a pretty quick car.
Yeah, yeah.
It's I'm pretty sure it's upgraded turbos, trans.
Okay. How do you feel about it though? Like, did it feel strong?
It felt strong, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't drag it. I wish I dragged it. I forgot.
It felt strong, bro.
It felt pretty good. It spun right off.
Yeah, I know. I could hear it. I was just like, okay, don't kill us, because my seatbelt was definitely not on either. I would have went through your windshield.
I don't stay in it. Like, that's why I shifted right away.
Yeah. That was some good shit, bro.
Yeah.
No, it was pretty quick because like because I could see you get my peripheral. I was like, he was hanging with me the whole of third gear. Like the whole of third gear, yeah. So there's no way this is making 800 though. It's definitely more than that.
It's a G2.
It's definitely more than that. That's clean though. It's clean. Yeah. Oh yeah. And then this was a bike. This is a BMW? Oh, okay. What's done to it? Where's he at? He's not even here. Yeah. I was definitely reeling his ass in, but he said it's on 93 right now. So we'll probably try to catch him next time on some race, guys. See if it makes a difference. Calling it a night. About to head home if I get in trouble.